Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find trending hashtags on TikTok. You will learn how to find trending hashtags in your country and your region. We all know that TikTok algorithm works with region. So if you're able to know the hashtags that is trending in your region, it's one way that you're going to be able to go viral using those hashtags. So guys, want to know how to find hashtags that is peculiar to your country and your region that will enable you to go viral? Make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step you have to take is to go over to your browser. I'm going to be using my Chrome browser today. You can use any other browser, maybe Phoenix browser, maybe Opera Mini, whichever browser you want to use. Just tap on it to open it. So guys, once your browser opens up, what you have to search for is TikTok Creative Center. Search for TikTok Creative Center. Then you tap on it. So guys, once it opens up, you're going to see series of results. What you're going to tap on is the first result. You can see there, Creative Center, one-stop creative solution for TikTok. Just tap on it. Tap on it. So guys, you can see it's loading up. So guys, once it's fully loaded, what you have to do now is to tap on trends. You can see where it's written trends, hunt content, because we're actually looking for trending hashtags on TikTok. So tap on it. That's the middle option. Tap on it. Wow guys, we are here now. You can see what is written here. Browse what is trending now. Find what performs well on TikTok and better engage with your audience. So guys, the first step that you have to take now is to narrow this search to your country or your region. You can see where it is written United States. Go ahead to change it to your own country or your region. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can go ahead to search for your country here, or you can decide to scroll downwards to look for your country. But let me search for the country. So let me search for my country. My country is Nigeria. You can see, let me search for it. So guys, you can see now the country has changed, the location has changed. So guys, you can now go ahead to look for the trending hashtags. You can see that on this section we have different features that we can actually look for. You can look for trending hashtags. You can scroll to the right. You can also look for trending songs. You can also look for trending TikTok creators. You can also look for trending TikTok videos. You can actually use this platform to look for different trending stuffs on TikTok. So guys, let's scroll downward so that we see more features. You can see these are the trending hashtags in Nigeria. You can see from number 1 down to the list. You can see them. You can see all the hashtags. You keep scrolling down, you keep seeing trending hashtags. You can see it's still loading up. You can see. So guys, there's something I want to take note of before we go ahead. You can actually broaden this search. You can see this search is at last 7 days. You can actually broaden it to 120 days. Just tap on the drop down icon. Let me tap on it. You can see last 20 days. So let us broaden it down to that search. Let's tap on it. You can see now the trending hashtags has changed. These are the trending hashtags in Nigeria in the last 120 days. You can see CapCut Velocity is the number 1. It has 2 million posts and 1 billion views. The second one is Nigerian TikTok with a flag. It has 663,000 posts and 1 billion views. The next one is trending videos. It has 445,000 posts and 776 million views. You can just keep scrolling. You're going to see different hashtags that you can actually use. You can see them. Ashaki is also trending. Fashion TikTok is also trending. Nollywood is also trending. You can see Yoruba is trending, Igbo is trending, YouTube is trending. You can see these are the top trending hashtags in Nigeria on TikTok. So guys, there is something next I want you to take note of. You can actually narrow this down to your niche. Maybe if you're a dancer, you're into entertainment, you're into the food industry, you're into the beauty and fashion, you can narrow this search to your own industry. All you have to do is to tap on where you see industry. You tap on the drop down icon. You can see now you can actually narrow this to your own niche. You can see I'm scrolling on it. So let me choose entertainment, or let me just go for beauty and personal. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see now the hashtags has changed. The trending hashtags has changed. The number 1 now on our list is braids. It has 21,000 posts and 82 million views. The next one is skincare routine. It has 15,000 posts and 75 million views. The next is self-care. It has 16,000 posts and 42 million views. So guys, this is how you actually look for trending sound that is peculiar to your own country or region. So guys, I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.